Banig Capital of the Philippines. According to Samar 2nd District Representative Sharee Ann Tan, Basey Samar is a step closer to this with the construction of a Banig showroom and processing center. The lady lawmaker and her brother, Samar Governor Michael Tan, led the groundbreaking ceremony of the LARA Samar showroom. The groundbreaking took place on June 25. The project is set to be completed within the year. The legislator is grateful to House Speaker Lord Alan Velasco for allocating 10 million pesos for the project. Tikog is a special reed grass found in swampy areas in Samar. Basey is known for its colorful and woven tikog-based products and handicrafts. Banig weaving is a century-old practice in Basey. It has been passed down from generation to generation. It also has a special significance to the history and culture of Samar and its people.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.